So, good day mga kakrim. So, today we will be discussing about the preliminary investigation. The officers authorized to conduct preliminary investigation when warrant of arrest may issue, when accused lawfully arrested without warrant, person lawfully arrested without a warrant may ask for a preliminary investigation, arrest of the accused, arrest how made, duty of arresting officer, arrest without warrant when lawful, and arrest after escape or rescue, right of attorney or relative to visit person arrested. Those are the topics that we will be discussing today. So, what is preliminary investigation? Preliminary investigation is not the occasion for the full and exhaustive display of the parties' evidence. It is for the presentation of such evidence only may engender a well-founded belief that as offense has been committed and that not accused is probably guilty thereof. So kapag sinabi nating preliminary investigation, ito yung tumutukoy para alamin kung may sapat ba na batayan o ebidensya na sambahan ng kaso ang isang tao. So halimbawa, kung may nagreklamo na ninakawan siya, hindi agad dadalhin ang kaso sa korte. Una, magsasagawa muna ng preliminary investigation para alamin kung may probable cause ba ang taong sasampahan ng kaso. So ito yung pahiwatig ng preliminary investigation. A prosecutor merely determines the existence of probable cause and to file the corresponding information if he finds it to be so. So, yung prosecutor naman, ito yung nagsasagawa ng preliminary investigation. Probable cause implies probability of guilt and requires more than bare suspicion by less than evidence to justify conviction. So, kapag sinabi naman nating probable cause, ito yung batayan ng prosecutor kung sasampahan ba ng kaso ang isang tao. Probable cause. The ultimate purpose of preliminary investigation is to secure the innocent against hasty, malicious, and oppressive prosecution and to protect him from an open and public accusation of a crime, from the trouble, expenses, and anxiety of a public trial, and also to protect the state of useless and expensive prosecution.
These are